What's up, YouTube? It's Dean Anthony back again with another video. Wait a second, I need to move this light over just a little bit. Alright, cool. So we have another video today. Super excited. Second unboxing. I'm shooting this on the R5. I'm actually using my Canon 16-35 3. It's the Mark III, like version 3, so that's why I said 3. I'm reading off the lens. But doing another video. This is shooting on the R5. Working on my lighting. I know that last video unboxing was not the best, but we got one more. And this is actually a little bit more of a consumer-friendly camera, which is going to be the EOS RP. That's what we're going to be unboxing today. So it's at a different angle, different location. Got a little bit more space in my office today to actually do this. So we're going to run through this real quick. This includes the kit lens, the 24-105 for f4 to 7.1, which is an interesting, it's a kit lens, right? So why is it a f4 to 7.1? So basically, as you zoom out closer to that 24 side, it opens up to at least a f4. As you zoom in, which I don't know what part of the lens it goes to 7.1. I know for the old, I think it was a 16-55. It used to be at 55. It would go to the furthest, which I think was a 5.5, something like that. Y'all can quote me at the bottom. But yeah, it has one of those lenses, so it has an aperture that's varying depending on the focal length. So we're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing, and then yeah, we're gonna move forward. This lens particularly, I won't be shooting very much with it. I'll probably do a couple of shoots for this channel and do a comparison to the R5. But this lens is really for vlogging, not vlogging, Jesus Christ, a podcast studio. It's a podcast studio. It's for those more like studio set spaces. So maybe some of the videos here will be shot with the RP in the future. I don't know. It depends on how this 4K looks. I'm gonna try my best to be better at video this upcoming year, which we'll do a video about what are you trying to do for 2022. But yeah, let's look at it real quick. So open the box, very similar to the R5 box. I feel like I'm sitting low. Give me 1 second. It's just low. Alright, cool. US, paperwork, all that jazz. All that jazz. ESO RP, the book, the manual that none of us ever read. Battery. Okay, that's actually, oh, it has a different type of battery. Oh yeah, so this is a different battery than my that's in the R5. This is the LC E17, which is a much smaller battery. You can kind of see that. But this is why I'm saying, oh, the R5 came with a battery that was closer to what the 1DX Mark III, I think the R3, their battery is like. And I say that because you can plug this directly into the wall. I'm gonna show a comparison real quick. Here are 3 different chargers. So this is the Canon RP's charger. You can kind of see it. Let's see if it jumps to it real quick. You can see that right here. This is sticking to the face. I love this this R5. But this is the Canon RP's charger. This is my old 5D Mark IV, 6D Mark II charger, right? And so it's very similar to the back that you plug it in. But when I got the R5, I was actually really surprised that this is the type of charger. It's actually very similar to the 5D4 charger that I have, but it has this plug up, which I just pulled out, which is similar to the Canon R3 and the 1DX Mark III. So you have to plug it up with the longer cord. I guess it's for faster charging and whatnot. I actually prefer this style charger because it's just a little bit easier. It's more compact, less cords to just bring around, and I can just grab and go. I can already tell you there's gonna be a day where I forget I grabbed this thinking that is this. So that's the only thing. So I toss that over there. I'm gonna toss this over there too. Let's see if we got the battery. It's a little battery, like fun size battery. And I haven't used like a starter camera with Canon in a long time, so this may be a lot more closer to the ooh, I like the way that fits. That's actually the aesthetic of how this fits in there, just kind of warmed my heart. But there is I wonder, is this the similar size to the batteries that are in like the you know, like the Canon T2Is, those batteries. So much smaller battery. You know, realistically, it's not gonna hold as long, but you know, we'll see over time. Cover, got the strap. I said this on the last video. The straps are a lot smaller than what they used to be. I'm not sure if I have a strap over here, but yeah, they're a lot smaller, more compact. It makes sense with the smaller size of the camera, but you know, it's nice to have. We're going further into everything. So let's start off with the body. Boom, boom, boom. Oh no, this, I thought it was the body. It's not the body. This is the lens, and so you can see it right here. Boom, boom. This is, let me get this in here. Yeah. So this is the 24, I'm not sure if it's adjusting or not. I think it is. I'm also at f5.6, so it might not be that bad. But this is the lens for the 24 to 105. They do have one that is strictly that's strictly at f4. That just wasn't the kit that was available. This is actually a nice little feel to it. It's plastic feel. It reminds me a lot of the size of the 16 to 55. Canon lens when I first started with my T2i. Nice size, nice kind of like feel to it, and the grip is good too. Yeah, it's a cool little lens. Yeah, and I got the smart ring, focus control, and it's stabilized, which is also nice. I'm gonna pull this out next. This is the actual camera body. Ooh, ooh, this is so light. This is so light. So this is actually, so I'm gonna first start off with my pet peeve for with all like mirrorless cameras. I just feel like it's too small. I can kind of see my hand. So like, just put it into comparison. This is right here, my 6D Mark II. And you kind of see like when you grip it, like you can hold the whole grip. Even with the 5D Mark, R5. Lord, there's too many cameras in here. Even with that R5 over there, that's currently being shot on, it's just a whole lot easier to like grip. I have what I was trying to say with that R5. Like the grip, I just wish it was a little bit longer. I know like part of the mirrorless thing is for them to be smaller, more compact, all that jazz, which is probably the cutest little camera. This is actually a cute little camera. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. This is a cute little camera. Flip out screen, all that jazz. It's a cute little camera. Actually, this is, I like this. I like it. I just don't like the bottom. You see my pinky is always falling off. It just feels less secure for me. Not the biggest fan of that. Let me see if there's any juice. Y'all get to see the first. Oh, look, unboxing. So when you open it up, you can see that the SD card goes at the bottom right here. See, do I have one? Yeah, I got a spare over here. SD card, just slide it in right there. Nice little fit, nice little close. This is actually, I'm actually very impressed. Like, I opened up the R5 first, and to open up this, like, just to see the size, like, and the weight, how light it is. This is actually pretty incredible. It's amazing what they can do now with cameras. If you've been checking out these are my first two mirrorless cameras. I've used the Sony 7S3 before. I just didn't like it. Using the R5 earlier, like last 2 weeks, using the R5 for my shoots, it's been cool. I enjoy the experience a little bit more. But yeah, I like this. This is actually, I think I might even personally just get another one of these just to like keep, because this is a nice little like throw in the bag type camera. Makes me want to go look at the R next. So trying to do this. Ooh, that glass. Put this on. Alright, cool. So this is it. So this is already so much lighter. So with the R5, I got the 50-1.2 with it, which is a cool little, like, it's not gonna work because it's not plugged in, but it was just a cool little like lens, cool lens, but it's weight. It kind of defeats the purpose of it being smaller. This feels like it's supposed to be small, and it's good that it is small. So I might, let me see, hopefully there's some juice in this. There is some juice. We'll get the first shots of the day with this. Let me see. Oh, it's on. Wait a second, I gotta set up the time real quick. Today is, oh, there's so many little differences, y'all. There's so many little differences. I know it's still December. What is it, the 28th? 2021. Alright, cool. Though. Basically, I don't want London. We're gonna do, you always gotta set up the time for your camera. Oh, no, I'm not New York. Okay, cool. Hey, I'm not gonna worry about the time now. But yeah, the battery's about dead. Of course, but like, yeah, it's a nice little wide angle lens. That's cool. All right, first shot of the day. Let's see what we get. Oh, it died. It's until I took the picture, of course. But yeah, it's a nice little, this is the cutest camera, I think. The cutest full frame camera I've ever seen in my life. So I'm gonna put this on here. It just feels nice. I really do commend Canon for just how nice this little RP feels. This is definitely something I would travel with. I think this might be my future travel kit. Might go with the F4. Get the F4, but it might be weightier, so who knows. But yeah, that's it. So this is the unboxing. This is everything. That's the lens, the battery, X, Y, and Z. We'll do a review of using it, probably compare it to the R5 that we're using. Probably really not a comparison, but we're gonna do it because those are the only two mirrorless cameras I got. But yeah, appreciate y'all checking out this video. I think this one is just about as long. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your patience on the last one because I was in a rush. I'm not in a rush. It's actually nighttime, just getting this video done. But appreciate y'all. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns, anything like that. This is Dean Anthony, and I'm out.